Hey, Chef Cutting here for Cats in the Kitchen. And I just wanted to tell you about the another little kitty. How about that? Another little kitty. This project is all about cats. And it's really cool because it's handmade and it comes with an enormous amount of items that all have to be reminiscent of pet owners and people who love cats. Cats in the Kitchen is inspired by an artist who had a family that always had dogs and cats. His daughter actually saved two cats in a terrible condition on the street. And now they're big cats, and the daughter enjoys her moments with them always. The project Cats in the Kitchen is for everyone who appreciates some ideas from the kitchen. This collection is so full of humor and optimism that it's best antidepressant available on the current market. How about that? So, as a chef, I want to talk to you about the culinary aspect of this too, because it's really kind of cool. If you can see that, you can see that there's nice little cat prints all over the mug. Take a look.